Hi friends. So recently I came across some persons who said they are being cheated by something called as online typing jobs. So to make people aware about this scam, how it works and how you not to get fooled in this, I'm making this video. So as you can see, if I go to Google and say Ujjwal jobs or online typing jobs, you can see I'm getting so many results in Quicker. It's in Naukri. See, Naukri, Quicker, everywhere it's home jobs. So the target is the people who are working from home or students who want some money and freelancers. All these are the targets. So who doesn't have any much knowledge of technology, they'll get easily trapped here. And how it works, I'll just show you. So I got a message from someone saying that there is a typing job available. I think everyone over here might be getting at some other point of time. So first they will say like this. I texted them on WhatsApp and they said that are you able to type it? And I said yes, I can do it. And there are three types of projects there. See like this. If you type 200 pages, 50 to 60 lines in 15 days, per page 90,000, you'll get earn 18,000. And some people say 3,300. In 20 days, this is the limit. In 15 days, in 30 days. And by saying this 50,000, some people think that yeah, I can earn, my typing speed is very good, I can do that, I can do this, and they'll think they will do it. And they'll and next see what happens. See, now they will ask the payment. They'll ask you to pay 1,500 as software fees. Then only you'll get this work, and you know after you complete it, you'll get the payment. They'll say like this. So once you pay this 1,500, and as you can see, they have given a website to Ujjwal Home Jobs. Most of the scams are from Team Home Jobs. I'll show you the mail too. So Team Home Jobs is a main site or main culprit. And whenever someone, I mean to say, if someone gives some complaint on this Ujjwal Home Jobs, they'll go and say Byjwal, Nijwal, Karjwal, random name. They'll come out and they'll open a new website. So the main team is Team Home Jobs. Then see here what she has done is she has sent a screenshot and asked me to Paytm and send me a screenshot like this. What I have done is I took this screenshot and edited this and sent them the same one without making any payment. So as you can see, the employees they are so dumb that they can't even see that the wording here, as you can see, Ujjwal Works is something different, and here I've edited it. I didn't make any payment. It's a fake receipt. Like for fake persons, fake receipt is okay. So as you can see, this text is completely different. This text is completely different in format. So there's a fake receipt, but they weren't able to make out there is a fake receipt, and they accepted it. So as you can see, though, this is a Ujjwal Home Jobs website. If you scroll down, the as you if you open this, you feel like it's a seriously real work and people are paying for this. Now I'll show you the ways in which you can make out whether a website or whatever it's giving, is it genuine or not. See, first of all, here if you go down, here they say that the GST number is this one. So first checkpoint is whether the GST number is correct or not. So you can see Google is very Google has huge amount of database. Everything and anything can be found here there. So first of all, just go to and use GST check. Not only for this, in future, whenever you see something fraud happening, these are various websites through which you can cross check whether it's genuine or not. See, that's Ujjwal Home Jobs, right? But this is in the name of Ujjwal Infotech. And they have used this address. If you see there, they have used this address. It means they have falsified. I mean to say they're just giving some random number here and they're using some other names. Support at teamhomejobs.com. As I said, you is that Team Home Jobs is the main one there. And second point, whenever you come across any website, you just go to whois.com. So to understand whether a website is genuine or not, all you need to do is not only this, any website, you can go to this whois.com, then type in that name here, and then click on this Whois. Now you will get a detailed understanding about this website, whether they're frauds or not. Suppose many websites will give random offers, like some 50,000 worth goods for 500. If you go there and if you actually check here, you can be able to see that it has been recently registered, which means that they are trying to scam you, right? They have recently registered, they don't have any previous history. They have registered this one and expires on this one, so in between they'll make money and they'll get out of the market. So you can see these are the numbers. So all this data you can be able to get in whois.com to understand whether a website is genuine or not. Also, like I said, GST or any other. And secondly, then after making the payment, like I said, I made the payment. I mean to say that's a fake payment receipt which I've sent them. They agreed for that, and they have sent me these documents saying that I need to send their acceptance for this. Now you just see this document how it will be. So this is a document. Sorry, this is a different one. So this is a document which they have sent. If you see, people think that this is a seriously, I mean, say this is a real one, not a fake one, right? If you see, they are using the logos, scam bands, sorry, barcode scanning, numbers, everything, Ujjwal Home Jobs. If you see, the agreement is also there in this number, Kartika, care of this one. My address which I have given, this is a fake address too. At 21 bit there is an agreement entered between two of you. So why they are doing this is, some typing jobs what they'll do is, once in future if you're not able to fulfill that, like starting with they said that in 20 days you need to fill the 200 forms, right? If you don't do it, what they'll say is you have agreed to do it for us and this agreement is binding on you, and you need to pay default charges. I'm say pay 5,000 for me because you didn't do. Now I'll say you the funny fact here. See, I mean, say this is not a genuine document. It may look like, but the point is, because this agreement is made on 21st November 2020. It means on 21st November 2020 this agreement has been made, right? Now just see the magic. The stupids don't even know how edit. They didn't even edit this one. 10 September 2020. So some they have made. They took some random agreement of 20 rupees and then edited all these fields. See, already edited these fields only. Like I said you right. I have also edited that payslip which I've sent them. In the same way they are doing all this. And if you want to check at any point of time, if you want to check any documents, government documents, just go to Google and type in e-stamp check and what is the state, Delhi. So you will get this one. And you can directly enter the certificate number and fill the relevant details, and you will be able to understand whether it's genuine or not. And next, the second aspect. So this is the agreement which they have sent. Now I'll just show you the agreement. See this agreement, like just now I said you are signing, you mean say you're giving acceptance. So in future they'll say that there is a legal or lawyer procedure which have been moved on, you need to pay this amount or this amount. All this is trash. Don't even believe that. They are just stupids trying to scare you and make money out of you. If you see, the conditions are like, you shouldn't use auto spacing, you shouldn't use header, footer, everything you need to do manually. And also you need to have 80% accuracy. Even if you give 80% accuracy, they say random reasons and they'll close that one. See here, this says 1500 rupees, 1000 for application, 500 for security charges. Whose security? For whose flat are you giving a security? Something crazy people. So they just want to make sure that, so even if you give 80% accuracy, they say that you have used auto justification, or they use header and footer automatic, something random reason they'll give, and they'll reject the payout. Next. So then after I accept agreement, and after that what happens is, they'll give you a link like this. This is the website link, jobworks.in. There what they will ask you is, they will give you some 200 pages. They'll give you the, like I said I took 200 pages, so they'll send you 200 pages like this, which you need to enter into that portal which I've just shown you. So see how it will be. So this document will be like this, completely, I mean to say, in some Greek and Latin like type of uh, if you go to OCR, there's something called as OCRs. OCR is it extracts data from the image. Even the OCRs can't be able to extract this data because it's in some Greek and Latin type, right? If you see this is some random, somehow the OCRs also can't recognize that one and extract it. So they made sure that even if you use all these kinds of things, it can't be able to do it first. So that's why they give this kind of font. And once you and like I said, you many people have actually worked on it, and they will submit all these pages, all the pages like this. This is just what I've done. So they will submit 200 pages. Then, as I said, you what they'll do is they'll say that this is not correct, that is not correct. Even if you just think how much time you will waste on this, writing these kind of lines, and that too in a complete page for 200 pages. How much time will you be spending on that for getting this 18,000 rupees? Now, and finally, even if you won't be able to get that amount, as I say, this is a fraud one going on. So you won't be able to get that amount, but your complete precious time is waste, right? So that's what. And one more thing I want to say is, in case you get come across any cyber crimes, don't get involved. I mean to say, first of all, they'll ask for money or some random shit. Even if you get involved somewhere or other, try to report it in here. So go to cybercrime.gov.in and report it in here. But the funny fact is, I reported some cybercrime long back, and the response which I got, is this: like they're saying that we have taken a note. I don't know why they closed it, and it's been more than a month. Even now, I didn't receive any subsequent communication for them. They said that it's closed. Your complaint is under examination portal, and you'll be able to further redirection. I don't know that. So that's how India is able to. I mean, the many scammers are not worrying about cyber, not scared about cyber police or someone because they don't even care. I hardly see any response from them, and the website is some completely crap. But you can report if you want to, as being a honest citizen or something. Some random terminology you can do that if you want to do it. And not only this, there will be many scams like Pepsi. You want some amount, or from London you are getting some certificates. Like just understand that everything and anything can be manipulated. Don't believe by seeing the document directly. Just go to Google and check the authenticity of it from appropriate websites. That's what I want to say. And stay safe. Thank you.